How to add two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add two videos in one screen on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open the application CapCut. Now from here, simply tap on New Project and add your video. After you add your first video, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom, simply you'll have to tap on Overlay. Now from here, tap on Add Overlay. From here, you'll have to choose your video whom you want to add on that screen. Simply select and tap on Add. Now from here, you can add that second video. After that, you can just align two videos on one frame. You can use your two finger by dragging up the and down. Like as you can see, here you can customize and resize the video. After that, you can just tap and export the video from your CapCut application to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.